Hello students, in this video we will continue the important 2-mark questions from coordinate geometry. In last class we have solved the questions based on the distance formula. Now look at few questions based on the section formula. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment in the given ratio. The line segment, look at the first question. The given point is 4 comma minus 3 and 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3:1. This will be our x1 y1 value, x2 y2 value, and this is the value of m1 and m2. So what we need to do is simply we need to substitute these values in the section formula. First let us write the section formula. P of x comma y equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. We have all the values now, m1, m2, x1, x2, y1, y2. So we need to substitute the values in the given formula. In the first question, this is the m1 and m2 value. So 3 into x2 is 8, so 3 into 8 plus 1 into x1 value is 4 by m1 plus m2 3 plus 1 comma again m1 value is 3, y2 value is 5 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. Now simplify. 3 8s are 24 plus 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4 comma 3 5s are 15 minus 1 3s are 3 by 4. 24 plus 4 is 28 divided by 4 comma 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4 sevens are 4 ones are 4 threes are. The answer is 7 comma 3. Use the formula and substitute the values. The remaining 3 questions work out using the same formula and comment your answers. Look at the next question. Find the ratio. Here we need to find the ratio. Ratio is not given in the question, in which the point minus 4 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points minus 6 comma 10 and 3 comma minus 8, and this is the line segment, 2 points of the line segment, and this is the point on the line segment. Now we have to find in what ratio the line is divided. Here first write the formula. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. P of x comma y is minus 4 comma 6 equals m1 x2. m1 value we don't know, x2 value is 3 plus m2 x1 value is minus 6 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 into minus 8 plus m2 into 10 divided by m1 plus m2. Now minus 4 comma 6 equals m1 into 3 can be written as 3m1 minus 6 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 comma minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. You know, this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Here this is x and y coordinate. Now take only the x coordinate, that is minus 4 equals 3m1 minus 6 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now cross multiply this m1 plus m2, it will get multiplied with minus 4. Now we can write it as minus 4 into m1 plus m2 equals 3 m1 minus 6 m2. Now multiply this 4 inside the bracket, minus 4 m1 minus 4 m2 equals 3 m1 minus 6 m2. Now bring m1 to LHS and m2 to RHS. Separate m1 and m2. It will become 4m1 minus 3m1 equals minus 6 m2. Minus 4 if we send, it will become plus 4 m2. Now minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 m1 equals minus 6 plus 4, 2 different and subtract, minus 2 m2. We need the value of ratio, that is m1 by m2. Therefore minus 7 m1 by m2 equals minus 2 m1 by m2 equals minus 2 by minus 7. So we can write it as m1 is to m2 equals 2 is to 7. So it divides in the ratio 2 is to 7. Let's look at the next question. Find the coordinate of point A. We need to find the coordinate of point A, where A and B is the diameter of the circle. So we have the circle, the midpoint is O, 2 point is A and B. We need to point this coordinate of A. I will name it as x comma y, whose center is 2 comma minus 3. This is the center, 2 comma minus 3, and B, the point B is 1 comma 4. So O is the center of the circle, O to A is radius and O to B is also the radius. So radius will be same and therefore O is a midpoint of the given line, that is diameter. Now we have to write the midpoint formula. Okay, remember O is the midpoint of the line segment AB. So P of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So the given point is midpoint, that is 2 comma minus 3 equals x1 y1 x2 y2. So x plus x2 value is 1 by 2 comma y plus 4 by 2. Now take only the x coordinate. 2 is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. shift 2 to LHS. So 2 into 2 equals x plus 1, 2 2s are 4. Now shift plus 1, it will become minus 1 equals x. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the value of x is 3. Now similarly, take the y coordinate now. Minus 3 equals y plus 4 divided by 2. Minus 3 into 2 equals y plus 4. 3 2s are minus 6. And this plus 4, if you shift, you will get minus 4 equals y minus 10 comma y. Therefore the coordinate of point, therefore coordinate of point A is 3 comma minus 10. Next question. Given A and B points are the end point of the diameter AB of the circle. Let's draw the circle. Given A as 2 comma 4, B as 2 comma 8, we need to find the coordinate of the center of the circle. Center of the circle means it is the midpoint of the line segment AB. So write midpoint formula. P of x comma y equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 value is, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. 2 plus 2 divided by 2 comma 4 plus 8 divided by 2. 4 plus 4 is 4 divided by 2 comma 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are 2 6 are. Therefore the coordinate of the center of the circle is 2 comma 6. A circle with center 5 comma minus 4. So there is a circle with a center minus 5 comma 4. This is the center of the circle and it is passing through the point, we'll take it as point A, minus 7 comma 1. Find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle means we need to find the length of OA. Now here don't use the midpoint formula. We need to find only the length of OA. We need to apply the distance formula here. Distance OA can be written as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root value of x1 y1 x2 y2. We can write it as minus 7 minus of minus 5 the whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. Minus of minus will become plus. Minus 7 plus 5, two different sign. If we subtract, we will get minus 2. Minus 2 square plus minus 3 square under the root. Here 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. 4 plus 9 is root 13 units is the answer. Hope you have understood the today's concept. If you have understood the concept, like, comment and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.